Here's today's question. We have to solve the following third equation. Before we start, let me rewrite the equation first. To solve the equation, we have to do the square on both sides to get rid of the radical sign. Be careful when we do the square on the left side because we are having the number 2 in front of the radical. So 2 to the square times by root x minus 3 to the square is equal to bracket x minus 2 to the square. So we need to simplify into 4 times by x minus 3 equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Expand, then we get 4x minus 12 equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Simplify, then we get x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. So it seems like we can factorize using the perfect square. So bracket something to the square equals to 0. The bracket inside must be x minus 4, so the result is x equals to 4. This is the solution for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every week. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.